We both look for a sign, and you say these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true.
So, this is it.
This is it.
What is going to happen?
We go to adventure.
We're going on an adventure to see Europe. And today is the day we are going to leave this house. And it's time for adventure. Yeah! Bye, Ariane. Okay. It's crazy. Look at it. It was our home for. En wat zegt mama nu? What is she going to say?
Oh, yeah, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
Wait for it.
Ja. We zijn onderweg.
Hey Bluey. So we have to pay for the first round. We're almost in Paris. And I don't know how expensive it will be. We will see. Waar moet ik betalen dan?
Mama.
Merci, bonne route. Yo!
Driving through tiny French towns, looking for
Supermarché!
supermarché.
The Lidl!
We are very much in need of groceries. Who's hungry?
Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Found ourselves a nice little park up for tonight. What are we making, Ethan?
Curry.
Curry. Indeed.
Curry!
Curry it is.
Here we go!
Still in front. Ah, that's looking good.
Woohoo!
Good job, Dad. Good job. Kids are playing.
Doe lemmelen. Jij bent de lemmel. Nee. Als jij zo doet, dan is degene die vroeger.
Evelyn's keeping an eye on everything.
Ja, kan zo.
Hi. Hi.
It took time to recognize we are all filled with pride. I'm a wreck when I'm not by your side. Yes, I know that I have to agree. There is no one as reckless as me. And now that you are in me, and there's no way without, cannot function with this power out. There were no reasons why. Yes, our beauty must die. We try hard, but we also so reckless.
Pilat. Now we have to climb up again. Here we go. Let's go. Woo. Oh, here you go, spider monkey. Spider monkey. Come. Here we are at Biscarosse, France.
We made it.
We made it, and now we're going to find a nice spot. Let's go, Campy. Oh, Jumper, the camper van. He has a name, but there's no sticker for it yet because it's too cold to apply it. We're next to the beach, by the way, so maybe 300-400 meters. I'm going to find a nice spot, and well, the place is beautiful, so that's not a problem. Let's go for it. See you around.
We try hard, but we also were home. So reckless, there were no reasons why. I guess our beauty must die. We try hard, but we also were home. So reckless, so reckless.
So what's like here? What is it like here in Biscarosse?
It's amazing.
Tell me.
It's we can wear t-shirts and they can play on the beach and in the sand, and it's just, our campsite is so relaxed and in the woods. It's what we need right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You little one.